Want to create a dreamy, spacious sound for your videos? Or give your audio that shouting in a canyon vibe? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an echo effect to any audio in CapCut on your PC or Mac. Whether you want to spice up dialogue, make music stand out, or add atmosphere to a sound effect, by the end of this video, you'll be confidently using CapCut's echo filter to make your clips sound fantastic. Let's jump right in and get started. First, open CapCut on your desktop and bring in your video or audio file. To do this, just drag your media onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. If you're adding echo to a specific segment, make sure you drop it exactly where you want the effect to start. Picture the timeline as your canvas. Everything you put here is ready to be edited. Next, click on the audio or video clip in the timeline so it's highlighted. This tells CapCut, hey, this is the part I want to work on. Selecting your clip is important, because any changes you make will only apply to the highlighted section. So double-check that you have the right clip chosen. Now for the fun part. Let's find the echo effect. Look at the top right corner of your editing interface. You'll see a panel with several tabs. Click on the one labeled Audio. This is where all CapCut's sound magic happens. Underneath, you'll notice an option called Voice Changer. Go ahead and click that. If you don't see it at first, don't worry. Sometimes these panels need a little scrolling or resizing to become visible. The Voice Changer is like a toolbox full of creative effects for your audio. Within Voice Changer, scroll down until you spot the Echo effect under the Voice Filters section. Echo is perfect for creating that spacious, reverberant sound. Think of singing in the shower or yelling into an empty stadium. Click on Echo to apply it, and instantly you'll notice your audio starts to sound more immersive. But we're not done yet. CapCut gives you control over two main settings, quantity and strength. Quantity is how many times the echo repeats. More repeats mean longer, lingering echoes. Strength controls how loud and noticeable the echo is compared to the original sound. Adjust these sliders slowly, listening to each change. For example, a little quantity and medium strength might give you a subtle sense of space, while maxing both will make your voice sound like it's echoing off mountains. This part can take a few moments, so don't rush. Use the preview play button to hear the effect in action before you settle on your favorite sound. When you're happy with your settings, you don't need to click save. CapCut applies these changes automatically to your selected clip. If you want to adjust anything later, just come back to the Voice Changer panel and tweak the settings as much as you like. And remember, effects work best when they enhance your audio, not overwhelm it. So take some time to find a balance that suits your project. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to add an echo effect in CapCut. And now you can give your videos and audio a whole new dimension. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below if you ran into any issues or have questions. I'm here to help. And if you want more easy tips for editing with CapCut, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future guides. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!